Hey guys, it's your girl Sizzle and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to have an Ikea vlog. Yes, so more details with this vlog. So a day in a life vlog. I'm here at Ikea and I'm gonna show you around here. So if you want to know more about this video, just keep on watching. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. So, dapat may IKEA vlog ako last July. This year. Kaso, that was the first time that I went to IKEA. Actually, this is the second time na mag-iikot ako sa IKEA. But, hindi ko na upload yung video na yun. Yan yung day ng birthday ni Hazel. July 24. I remember July 24. And right now, I'm gonna show you around IKEA showroom. And I'm so happy that I finally came back after so many months dito sa IKEA. So, if you haven't watched Vlogmas number 20, which I tour around the Look My SM if you are finding for luxury, high-end skincare makeup, that's for you. And right now, I'm IKEA, wherein I can show you all the showrooms around here. So, let's start going around IKEA. One of my favorite showrooms are here. So this is all around 29,000 pesos. So this is your typical vlog na ito yung pang vlogger na showroom dito. Then here are the plates. Then your typical, ayan yung mga pang laba. Then kitchen. Then, we are going around here, around the showroom. So, there are many showrooms around here. So, this is the shelves. At yung mga iconic nila na mga gamit sa bahay. Then, this is a showroom. This is aesthetic showroom here. So, it has the shelves. Ayan, it has the shelves and cabinets in here. Ito yung aesthetic na gusto ko yung design nito. So, let's go! More showrooms here. Oh my God! There are more showrooms here. Merry Christmas na nga. So, ito yung showroom na pang Pasko. Ayan. Then, a typical living room in here. Then, a typical showroom here since it's Christmas. Then, more showrooms here. Ayan. Tapos ito yung mga baby room. Oh my God, baby room. Ayan. Then, pagpasok dito, here is the sofa in the house. So, ito yung mga chairs dito sa IKEA. And, it's full of heaven. Sa mga mahilig sa mga gamit sa back. So, there's one in here. Are all the chairs in here, tables in this showroom. Ayan. So, may 10-year guarantee. As you can see, 10-year guarantee designed for everyday moments. Zip this chair for 10 years. Then, showroom. Another showroom for condo units. Kung ano gusto niyo. So, this is my favorite. Oh, kanilang oil pastel crayons is 150 pesos. So, ayan, 8 pieces, 150 pesos. Then, another showroom here. Pang aesthetic na style ng condo. Ayan, may kitchen na dyan. Then, ayan. Dito papasok yung mga shelves. Ayan, mga babies. The shelves. 3-4 shelves. Living room storage in here. There are so many shelves in here. Ito yung mga pang door for bookcase. And here are more cabinets in here. IKEA for business. Yung mga pang Filipino restaurant. So this is Nail Spa Manila. Ito yung tipong interior showroom for nail spa. Then this is one in Pilar. Ayan yung mga antique shop, Filipino shop, pasalubong shops. Ito yung ganitong interior. And so, here is the history of Manila. And then this one is a coffee shop. Ayan o, kape tayo. Coffee shop na showroom. Wow, amazing. Ayan o, wow, amazing. There's a sound system in here. Ring light. Then, mga chairs. Mga pang-baby na dito. So, let's turn around here. Turn around, bright eyes. So, 3. Stockholm, Mexico, Manila. So, turn around, bright eyes. So, ayan. With this chairs around here. Ayan o. Yon. Oh my God, I'm in love with the monster. So, ayan o. Mga dining sets na dito sa side na ito. Next sides in here are dining sets na showroom. So, ito yung typical na dining set pag sa condo ka lang. Then, ayan o, yung mga kitchen. So, sa here, another kitchen showroom. And, of course, ayan o. Oh my G, ang dami showroom in here. It's kind of interesting showroom for me. So, that's it for today's VLOGMAS. Ito yung hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo buong showroom. So, hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo buong showroom ng Ikea. Lahat ng kung ano yung makikita nyo sa Ikea for this VLOGMAS kasi nagkakaproblema yung card ko. So, that's it for today's video. I just hope and I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And see you on my next VLOGMAS. Bye!